Yo, what is up everybody, it's Jack here. I'm a Shopify developer here at Section Store, and in this video I'm going to be going over how you can add add-ons just like these to any Shopify product page in just a couple of minutes. So the add-on section is essential for a lot of Shopify stores. The customers are on this page, they're ready to add to cart, and it's highly likely they're going to flip one of these toggles and add an additional product. It's great for your average order value and something that almost every store should be doing. Let's get into it. So to do this, we're going to be using the Section Store app and specifically the Conversion Blocks tab. This gives you access to all 18 of these conversion blocks, but the one we're looking for today is called Add-Ons. You can see it here. If you click the button and select your theme, it's going to take you straight to the theme editor. Now we're in the theme editor, we want to expand this product information section. We're going to click Add Block, come over to Apps, scroll down until we find the ones from Section Store, and then we're looking for Add-Ons. As you can see, we add it just like a regular Shopify section, and you can drag and drop it to change position. For this, I want it under the buy button, so I'm going to add it here. Nothing's showing up yet, but this is because we don't have any products linked. So to customize this, we click on the section name, and it's going to give us the settings on the right-hand side. We can select a product that we want to upsell, or multiple products if you want to. You have a style option, whether you want this to be stacked, so all of these on top of one another, or a carousel, where they have arrows to click between them, and only one shows up. There's a variant selector option, so if your product has variants, you can have a few different styles of variant selectors, or you can just have none if you only want to upsell a singular variant. Below that, we have show compare price off the products on sale. It'll show the compare price like you see here. And finally, there's an option to use a discount tag if you want a tag to show up, indicating that the product is having a discount. Below that, we have selection controls. So style, we have switch, checkbox, and radio. These are for this toggle here on the right-hand side. If you want it to be a checkbox, a radio input, or a switch. I personally prefer the switch. It's kind of got this Apple iOS style, which is very popular at the moment. You can change the size for this as well. The position, if you want it first or last. Again, position top, center, or bottom, so horizontal positioning, and you can change the color. Next, we have settings for text, so you can update the font size if you want this normal or bold, and again, color options for both title and price. Same thing for the image that's showing up for the variant. You can just change the size of the image, make it bigger or smaller to fit perfectly with your theme. Finally, down the bottom, we have some appearance settings. So we have a border. You have the option for no border, a dotted border, or a solid border. You can just select these to see how you look. You can change the size of the border, the color of the border as well, roundness on the corners, or remove this if you want it to be square. You can add an overall section background with a color wheel here, or choose a background gradient if you want differing colors behind the section. Last but not least, we have some padding settings, so vertical and horizontal. This is just space on the top and bottom and left and right of the section. If for whatever reason you want more or less space here or on the sides, you can increase or decrease these, and it's going to give you that spacing so you can get this working for your theme. You can add multiple products here. If you want multiple add-ons, just go back into the list, select them, tick off all the boxes, and all the products will show up either in stack or carousel format. Once you've customized all these settings, you're done. That's all you have to do. You can preview this on desktop and mobile to make sure it's looking good, and then when you're happy, save the theme. And there we have it. That was a super quick tutorial on how you can add add-ons just like these to the Shopify product page. They look really good. They're customizable in the theme editor, and they're super easy to add, as you see. Add them directly in the theme editor with one click. With the conversion blocks in the Section Store app, you also get access to all 17 of the other conversion blocks, which are things like the social proof, the reviews, the wrapper here, all of these benefits and shipping information. So a really worthwhile investment if you're looking to upgrade your product page and increase customer conversions. If you have any questions about this section specifically or anything else, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, keep an eye on this channel and the app as we're releasing more sections like this every single week.